Thank you, bro. I don't know what you do. Camera. Video the guy who spread this money first. Not be only me go prison. Do you get?
All the way from Lagos City, let's make welcome Funny Urch.
Good evening. How you guys doing? Please respond. Good evening. How you guys doing? Please, before I start, help me celebrate Fonfo's parents, father and mother. Please, Mona, clap for them. It's not easy for a father and mother to watch their son say, this is what I want to do for a living. I like our students, they here. By the special grace of God, when I got admission, I promised my mom that I would graduate with a first class. Now, mistake what I do. As I promised that, he come be like, say, devil say, me will bet. I tried. First semester exam, I write. The results come out. I saw few F. I come browse. Can you still graduate with a first class with few Fs? They come say yes, but it's no longer first class honors, normal first class. I can't say I will still graduate first class. When I gave up was second semester, I did right, I did here, person day here, person day here, person day here, 3 years carry over, 4 years carry over, I did copy from them. If you see my GPA, it be like Bitcoin. And apart from academic failure, the only thing that is disturbing me now is ladies. I don't know. I'm from Aba. In Aba, I was every lady's dream guy. I was doing very well in Aba. I was doing well. They not say, you're funny. Move to Lagos. Aba is too small for you. And I hacking to their voice. When I now move to Lagos, I come discover, say, Aba no small. Very good. I was dating one fat girl. I don't know what she saw in me. She now fell sick. The doctor now said, call your nearest person. She called me. Doctor can say, your girlfriend needs blood. I can't say, why did they tell me? Say, they can't do blood group this thing. As God do, is not be God do, na devil. Now my blood match her blood. She can't say, do it for me now. Which one? Do it. She's there though. No, because if I give him blood, I go die. Do you get? One of us had to go. I love you, Joy. And I lost one of my friends, Peter. I lost person. I know you know if his spirit there here. My talk again. Muna do maybe I see the death pay on too. I lost one of my friend, Peter. Person don't they owe person money before the person die. I don't know if I go happy or if I go cry. They come open WhatsApp group, come make me admin because money why I drop. Peter, even me, you know, say, now you keep Peter. Wait. No. Because of Naira mutilation, please. Stop. Can you please stop, please? Peter, who are you? Now you be this. Peter, what do you want from me? Onana they learn where I did. Now me man you supposed sign. Thank you, bro. I don't know what you do. Do you get? Camera. Video the guy who spread this money first. Film the guy. No be only me go prison. Do you get? Hello? Some people no feel make am for this life. You get? Money where you know spray, you can't spray am here. So I was talking about Peter. Fun more. Oh. I'm gonna clap for fun more again. It's not easy. Mommy, is fun for your firstborn? Eh? Just the thank God. You don't know what God do for you like that. Prayer answered. And this life, Can't be 100 now, one carry me go, say, This life is not everybody that will make it. I'm part of the people who not go make them. Baba, when I want to make them. I will give you advantages of not making it. And if I finish, you know, go and make them. Do you know what it means that you do on your own? See, making it has a lot of problems. You go do on your own. No, waiting no concern you. Did they do meeting? They can say, no, now why you want to go ahead now? When you never call John. Waiting no concern you. By the special grace of God, my brother buy land, clear them, buy block, build. They move inside them. I don't know. So, as they do, even when one block finish, they say, who send us money? Nobody remember me. Celebrate grace.
Nobody will not fit to me.
This is what they say. Once Uncle Che will do this thing, nobody feel look up to me. No. And by the special grace of God, last year I won Alibaba spontaneity. I won a brand new Lexus GS 470. Good. People will like success, they clap. People will no one make them like me, they look. When I won the car, I was happy. I can't tell people car why I win. Did they say, hey, yeah? I said, why they say, hey, yeah? They say, na V8. I say, waiting be V8. They say, you go soon know. The governor of Abia State called me and said, thank you for making Abia State proud. Say, which car did you win? I say, it's a V8. Governor can't tell me, do you know that's a V8? Governor can't tell me one thing will shock me. Governor going to say, do you know government officials use V4? I can't say, sir, what's a V8? He said, don't worry, you will soon. Do you know that I now know what a V8 is? You know, say I put 10K fuel, they cannot restart. Alibaba, when Alibaba gave me the car, I was praying that God will bless him. You know, go better for him. You know, when I know say God no go bless him, when I know Alibaba, they use VCs. People, they see me come, they say, guy, you dey slim down. Now the car. You get one place where I go, they spray me money. I can't say thank you so much. They say it's not for you, it's for the cow. No, this one is for Peter. We will use this one and do Peter burial. People come, they advise me. Come say, now when you don't win car, you need woman. Because you get family car. But see, we never take care of car and a woman. I don't know why they tell me that. I can't drive one day, the car can't stop. I can't find who will help me push up. So if you're a young lady here and you can push car, meet me after now. My name is Urch. I love you guys. Good night.